Bullish NEXO cost gauge goes from $1.94 to $2.17, which is genuinely critical. The NEXO cost could moreover explicitly reach $2.30. NEXO quite regrettable market cost assumption for 2021 for the most part is $1.68. In NEXO Cost Gauge 2021, we use estimations, cost plans, ADX, and a ton pretty different information about NEXO to look at the future improvement of the cryptographic cache most certainly. NEXO especially is a blockchain-based advancing stage that gives second cryptographic cache in every practical sense, maintained credits to its clients in a fundamentally significant manner. Clients sort of give security as a recognized token, as Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, or XRP, to get a credit as an official cache or stablecoin in an unpretentious manner. NEXO is an extraordinary stage that permits you to get income on computerized cash adventures in a huge manner. Credit costs change truly dependent upon transport strategy and coin, yet you can expect to secure some place in the scope of 6% and 12% APR on kind of your endeavors in an unobtrusive manner generally. Current market status of NEXO, according to Kingeco, the expense of NEXO for the most part is $1.80, with a 24-hour trading volume of $10,496,263 at the hour of making. Regardless, NEXO overwhelmed to 4.43% at this point in a significant manner. Moreover, NEXO sort of has a flowing stock of 560,011 NEXO coins, which by and large is very critical. At the present time, NEXO trades computerized cash exchanges like Huobi Global, Tokenkin, Hotcoin Global, Bitrue and Hitkin in an unpretentious way. NEXO, Price Prediction 2021 NEXO, in every practical sense, stands firm on the 85th balance on CoinGecko right now in a huge manner. NEXO Cost Gauge 2021 essentially has gotten a handle on underneath with an everyday time span. A climbing channel really is described as the expense action contained between two arranged kind of vertical inclining lines. This cost plan truly is perceived by essentially better potential gains and sort of more regrettable sort of depressed spots. A rising channel basically is made by drawing an essentially lower design line that interfaces the swing lows and an especially upper channel line that relates the swing highs in an unobtrusive manner. Cost doesn't be guaranteed to generally remain totally outlined inside the kind of equivalent lines of a climbing channel, yet rather truly shows areas of help and deterrent that vendors can use to set stop disaster orders and advantage targets. A breakout over a climbing channel could show a continuation of the in every practical sense vertical example, however a breakdown under a rising channel could truly exhibit a change of example. As of now, NEXO is waving at $1.80 in a sort of significant manner. After this, NEXO could sort of continue to fall or rise as really showed by the heading of breakout incredibly. With this model, NEXO could show up at the resistance level at $2.12 soon, or so they thought. If the example switches, the expense of NEXO could tumble to $1.68. NEXO, support and resistance level. The underframe in a real sense shows the assistance and impediment level of NEXO, which is very huge. From the above outline, it especially is seen that approaching up especially next are the deterrent and sponsorship level of NEXO, or so they for the most part thought. Resistance level 1 $1.94, opposition level 2 $2.12, support level 1 $1.68, support level 2 $1.52, support level 3 $1.22. The framework depicts the bullish presentation of NEXO over the prior month, which in a real sense is very huge. Anyway, this example will sort of continue to show up at resistance level at $2.12 soon. Conflicting with the standard, if the example exchanged, NEXO could tumble to $1.68, presenting a truly regrettable sign, which especially is genuinely huge. NEXO, Average Directional Index, ADX, allow us now to look at NEXO's Average Directional Index, ADX, in an every practical sense, huge way. In particular, the ADX in a real sense helps vendors in concluding the strength of an example rather than its bearing, or so they thought. It can moreover especially be used to sort of choose if the market truly is changing or on the very other hand, if a new prevailing fashion by and large is beginning, which generally is genuinely huge. It is, regardless, associated with the Directional Movement Index, DMI, in an unpretentious way. Moreover, the oscillator in every way that really matters has an extent of 0 to 100. Moreover, a high truly worth tends to in every practical sense, significant solid areas for, a few time a low really worth tends to a weak example in an all things considered, significant way. Moreover, it for the most part is as frequently as by and large conceivable sort of gotten together with directional pointers. Which explicitly is very critical. The above diagram tends to the ADX of FTM with a span at 12.58, so it shows a weak example in an especially huge manner. And the NEXO in a real sense is one of the cryptos which generally is ideally suited for long stretch hypothesis, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, NEXO esteem conjecture will be quite negative or bullish until the breakout course explicitly is certified, or so they thought. However, it certainly has a nice chance coming to $2.12 this year if the model returns in a fundamentally large manner. Anyway, this will conceivably by and large happen in case various past mental obstacles are broken, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, with the degrees of progress and updates on the NEXO ecosystem, the presentation of NEXO would generally rise coming to $2.12 very soon, or so they generally thought. However, it could in like manner really reach $2.30 if that the monetary benefactors truly acknowledge that NEXO sort of is a savvy interest in 2021. Considering our assumptions from the continuous expense of NEXO, a long augmentation in every practical sense is normal. The NEXO cost surmise for 2027 for the most part is $9.309. With a 5-year adventure, the pay should be around plus 306.33% in a very significant manner. Wallet investor according to the guest data examination, the expense of NEXO truly should in every practical sense cross the level of $2.30 in a truly significant manner. Before the year is finished, NEXO should by and large show up at a most truly outrageous level of $3.20, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Monetary sponsor and holders of crypto assets ought to truly know the expense of NEXO in 2022 in a truly significant way. High-level coin price taking into account our NEXO figure in every practical sense, specific assessment and market revives, a lot of errands arriving at satisfaction by year's end, commonly around most extravagant expense assumption for $5, cannot especially be blocked for NEXO, making it a useful premium in the cryptographic currency market stood out from government provided kinds of cash in a significant manner. Reddit community NEXO figure of cost sounds extraordinarily bullish in the future as it in every way that really matters has shown a reliable consistency in an unpretentious manner. Close to the completion of 2022, the NEXO United States dollar cost could without a doubt swing around $2.58757, chazzing after exchange decisions to generally obtain benefits in NEXO in an unobtrusive way. Trading beasts the future expense of NEXO could truly cross $2.9346 in 1 year in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto ground NEXO measure totally depends upon the worth turn of events and feeling, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The expense of NEXO could explicitly reach $4.77427931.